All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Gone Guitar. Steven Sanchez here. He sings about this thing called love. So you can sing for days about that theme, love. And yeah, he gives us a couple of minutes, 3 or 4 or so. And this song is very, very easy. Only 4-chord song that goes in the same way through the entire song. And we have the capo here on the 6th position because we want the easiest chords possible for this one, combined with the higher notes in this song. So remember, this is also a piano-based song, like it usually is with Steven Sanchez. So we don't have the full spectrum of all the notes we can find on the piano on that one guitar. So this is a stripped down version with just plain chords and plain downstrokes. So capo on 6, enough of the talk. Let's go through the chords. Starting here with A, we have open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. If it's hard for you to get all the fingers in that position, you can just play a bar on the 2nd fret from the D string and down, then try to stay away from the last E string when you strum and do the downstrokes. Play a little bit more on the mid area if you cannot do this. All right, so that's the first chord, the A. Next chord is the F sharp minor 7. So what you do there is you play a bar on the 2nd fret over all strings, and then you need just to add the 4th fret on A. We have the B minor 7 next. You keep that bar on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string there in the bass, just the 5 strings below, or you can just keep it if you wish, but anyway, you need to add then 4th on the D string and 3rd on B. That's the 3rd chord, and the 4th and final is the E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So you're gonna play just downstrokes here. You're gonna play 4 downstrokes per chord in the order we learned the chords. So A, F sharp, B minor, and E, like this. And you just keep that through the entire song. Anyway, that's how I handle Steven Sanchez, this thing called love. Play tuned.